we already did the basic vowel, simple vowel, and then let's check the simple consonant, basic consonant.
Okay.
Basic consonant. Also, it's important that you don't need to remember the name, but you should remember that the sound. Then, so listen and repeat after me. G,
G, G,
N,
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 N, N,
D,
D, D,
D, L, L,
L, L,
M, M,
M,
B, B,
B.
S, S. This one,
Yes.
right? And ing,
Ing,
and z, z,
Z,
z,
J, J,
ch, ch.
Ch, ch.
P,
P, P.
So the g is gate. G. That g sound. G.
Okay.
G. Sometimes k like that, and then n name.
N,
Name.
N,
Sound, and d dog d,
D,
that sound, and
L,
So
L.
it's sometimes L sound lake. Sometimes R sound road. Like
Road. Okay.
so that l is l or r. That we use that, and mu and moon moon. That
Moon.
sound, and b is
Oh,
boy
B, B.
boy. Sometimes p and b boy.
Okay.
S is sky. Sky.
Sky. Sky.
Right? And ing is if it goes the final consonant position, then at that time mango.
Mm, mm,
Sound.
mm,
Sound. In Korean, ung, ung.
mm,
If uh if
mm.
if it doesn't have ing as a final consonant, we read u. But if it has ing final consonant, then ung.
Mm,
So ing as a first consonant, that is just has no sound.
right.
But if it goes to final consonant position, then at that time sound.
So the first one with just the ing and the would just sound like but if it has this young and young again, then it would just sound like the whole that
Right.
whole syllable
Yes.
is just
Yes.
Okay. Okay.
Also, yes. Ung. Yes. When like your friends, do you want to go with me? 나랑 같이 갈래? Then is right. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, so if you watch Korean movie or Korean drama, that that
Wait, but it means like yes, like
yes.
okay.
Okay. Yes.
Yes. Okay. Okay.
Yes.
All right.
Right.
Can I ask you something actually?
Sure.
So the word, well, I'm doing the English version of the word. When you say I'm sorry in
Mhm.
Korean, it's 미안해.
미안해. 미안해.
But it sounds to me,
미안해요.
미안해요. Okay. It sounds like 비안해.
비아행?
It sounds like that when they say it. It doesn't sound like it sounds like b.
No. 미안해.
미안.
미안해. 예, 미안해.
Okay.
미안해요. 미안해.
Okay.
If you listen carefully, then you can catch sound.
미안해.
미안해. 미안해. Mhm.
미안해.
Yes.
And 미안해요
미안해요.
is okay.
Sorry. Yeah. But
Is-
the I apology is more formal way. 죄송합니다. 죄송합니다.
Okay.
죄송합니다.
죄송합니다.
음.
Okay.
죄송합니다. Yes.